Welcome to my shop, Riley Hayes with Riley Hayes Roofing, here with new Tech Machinery and Sheffield Metals. Come take a look. Here at Riley Hayes, we started about 14 years ago, and we are a residential, commercial, full-service metal roofing contractor here in Little Rock, Arkansas. You're currently standing in our entry lobby area where we have a front desk and just a general showroom area that can kind of help you pick out some materials and show you what's available. Let's go out in the shop and we'll look around and see what machines we have. Now we're in the shop area and we've got about 6,500 square feet of floor area here. Generally we have brakes, sheet metal stacked up here in the flat sheets. We have coils right behind us here. This is where we're going to keep all of our roofing materials, our coils of metal from Sheffield, our new Tech machine, you know, any extra ice and water shield we may have, anything that can't get wet, we're going to put inside this shop. All right, guys, right here we've got a sedan FX32 folding machine that we use to make a lot of chimney flashings and accessory flashings for roofing system, hips, ridge caps, valley metals, all the above. Right next to it, we have a shear. This is how we cut the metal to the exact specifications that we need to make it the right size on the brake. And then right over here, we have another brake that does very similar to the first one. Right behind me here, we've got our flat sheet storage. This is gonna be where we put all our complementary flat sheets that go with the coils that we've purchased. So essentially, when we buy a coil, we're usually going to buy some flat sheets to match. That way we can make our trim metal, ridge cap, valley, drip edge, etc. Now on the other side, so we have the ability to put our coils on here and we can cut them into lengths that we can use on our shear and brake as well if we need additional metal that we didn't have in a flat sheet. Then right next to that, you'll see we have quite a bit of coil storage on these racks here. And these are all Sheffield coils that we run through the new Tech machine. Right behind us here, we've got sheets of copper, which a lot of times we make copper flashings for certain kinds of roofs. And we've got everything on this from 24 gauge Kynar coated steel to 16 and 20 ounce copper, stainless steel and aluminum. So right here, we've got just a workbench where we can put a car on a lift, change oil, fix tires. This is a 57 Chevrolet pickup that was my grandfather's, so it stays in here out of the weather. And it's just a garage baby that we drive every now and then and keep it going. We do not tow the new Tech with this. We probably should, but I think it'd be a little stress on the engine. Come on upstairs, let me show you the upstairs office and what we've got going on. Welcome upstairs. We've got a little break room here with some samples of new Tech, Sheffield, just options, product books, catalogs for any type of material that we would use. We've got a pool table that we'll use during breaks every now and then, and offices. So this is my office here. Welcome to the office. Basic, just computers. This is where we do the estimates, figure out all our metal orders. You know, obviously I like to hunt a little bit. I like music and I like golf, so it's covered on the wall there. All the way from Elton John to Willie Nelson to St. Andrews Old Course. Now, let's go see the new Tech machine. All right, guys, we've got our new Tech right here with William on the forklift getting ready to take it outside and run a few panels out, and follow me and we'll show you how it goes. So right now I'm hooking up our hot melt machine. Just takes an air hose and power, and we're going to show you how easy it is to run panels out and put a hot melt on there so that you can avoid having to roll out your hand butyl. So right now we are starting a coil. Basically we just unwrap the coil and we're going to start it through the machine from the back feed with a manual feed. So we're just dog earing it a little bit on each corner so that you don't have any issues with the corners getting in there, and then we'll slowly run it through until we see it coming barely out of the front of this. All right. So what we're running here is a 2-inch mechanical lock profile. It's an SS200. So that's going to be a double lock mechanical on a 24-inch coil. It'll make approximately an 18-inch pan, I believe. We have striations in this for rigidity and per the customer's request. We can take those off or put them on depending on how the customer would like it. The trailer's set up so you can put rings on here, and you can actually crane the whole trailer up to a roof and take your machine and run panels on a roof if you had a section that was very high up. That way you don't damage your panels on the way up. I have the gas power pack. You can also get an electric power pack if you want to swap them out, or if you just wanted an electric instead of gas. So I prefer gas because we run most of our panels on the job site. That way we don't have to look for a generator or power while we're there. So we're shutting our new Tech down, and what I do is I turn the fuel off, turn the throttle up, and let the engine run out of fuel. That way you don't leave any gasoline in the system and it stays clean. Thanks for coming by, Riley Hayes Roofing. Once again, appreciate new Tech Machinery, Sheffield Metals. Highly recommend both of them. Thanks for coming by the shop. Have a good day.